Hey guys, got a little experimenting I need to do today. A friend of mine has given me a couple of boxes of Vise teeth. I don't know what you call them. They're inserts. They would go into a regular vise. And I'm not sure what kind of steel these things are. So I want to play around with these just because, like I said, he's given me a couple of boxes of them. I just don't know if, in my mind I'm thinking they don't think they're going to be a hard steel, but we're going to find out. We'll do a spark test and then we'll go ahead and forge some of this out and go through my normal testing and see how that goes. So it should be a nice quick video, but give us an idea what these things are, how they kind of act anyway. Hold tight. We're going to spark test on these, see what we get. Alright, after looking at that, I'm not overly impressed with what happened because I wasn't seeing a whole lot of flares. Kind of looked an awful lot like this spike, which is a low carbon spike, monolithic spike. So, well, spark test against inconclusive, but let's keep going and we'll learn some more. We're going to go ahead and just work this a little bit, get those teeth knocked down. Work on a piece of it. Let's see what it looks like. Work a little bit more here. Draw it out a little. Go just a little thinner on that, I think. We'll punch it and we'll see what we get. A little bit more. Up a little. Normally I'd nip off a piece of this, but I'm not going to expect much from it. Hopefully that's a good size to break for me. I'm hurting myself. Alright, we'll bring it up to critical. I'll quench it in water if I have any that isn't frozen. That'll give us the best test anyway. Up to critical, in the water we go. Ice water, no less. It's coming. Springs are coming. She kind of sounds a little hard. She sounds a little hard. Let's throw her on the vise and see what we get. Put you guys over here. Boom, 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 boom. You see me do this 100 times, and there's a reason why. It works. It lets me know a lot. It tells me a lot. And we'll see what she bends. Oh, she crunches like nothing. Interesting. Interesting. I am very surprised at how hard that got. I am very, very surprised. So that tells me we might have something to play with here. Here I'm going to go ahead and throw some colors in there. We'll go, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of hard to do it right over the forge like that, but you know, into a bluish, purplish, just a little bit beyond what you'd want a knife to be, and we'll see what it does in the vise. So we got some browns, a little bit of blue in there. Again, this is the quick and dirty temper. If we get a bend out of it at all, I'll be pretty impressed. For an unknown steel, you know what I mean? It might be something we can try throwing a knife out of. Let's give it a try here. She's still broke, but I don't think I soaked it very well. But she moved a little better, so I mean, she's certainly getting softer. Let's go a little deeper yet. I got just enough to do that. That up just a little bit red. Going through basically an annealing process. I want to see it bend, and then we'll know what the heck we can do with it from there. I think we're going to make a knife out of this stuff. If all goes well, this should bend right over, I hope. Ain't got a whole lot of meat left here, but it's certainly going to tell us something. Let's hope. Not bad at all. I like it. Let's see how that pattern went right down smooth now. I think we got something we might be able to work with here. I really do. Alright, that's the test. It looks like that's got some decent something in it. Something that's going to take a hard. So we'll call this video done. I just wanted to give you a quick test. Where am I? I'm up here. Give you a quick test. That's the you know, Vise draw inserts, I think is what they're called, or something like that. Very, very cool. What I'll do now is I'll start another video and I'll take one of the other pieces, and we'll make just a quick and dirty knife, run it through the Journeyman Smith test, and let's see what we get out of it. Walked away without saying goodbye. Check out the next video of the knife. We'll see what it does. Thanks for watching this one. If you found this video helpful, educational, maybe even if you just found it entertaining, and you want to support me, you can jump back to my channel. There's a button on the right hand side of the screen called support, and it's kind of like a tip jar. You can go ahead and leave Chandler a tip for this video, and that'll help me make some more, I guarantee. Thanks for your support as always.